Okay, hello guys. Now this is the your what lecture number 3. Okay. Now you have to watch your what the series of lectures to understand your what the concept in a very well defined and easy way. Okay. Now I am going to continue your what the next preparation of your what halogen reactors of alkanes. Okay. In a very simple and lucid way. Is it? Come on. Start here what the next preparation. Okay. Now let me see what happened here. Now we are going to start here what the from alcohol reaction with what hydrochloric acid. Okay, because we are going to form here what the monohalogen derivatives, no doubt here. Okay. Now let me see what happened here. If you take it here what, see here C2H5OH. This is the common example. I always take it. Okay. Plus यहाँ पे HCl लेना है आपको concentrated. What is this? This is concentrated HCl in presence of ZnCl2. What is this? ZnCl2. Now this reaction mixture जो है इस दोनों reaction mixture को हम लोग क्या कहते हैं? That is called what? Lucas reagent. What is this? This is called Lucas reagent. Remember this. Concentrated HCl and ZnCl2. Okay, this mixture is called what? Lucas reagent. Is it? Let me see what happened. How the reaction take place. Now remove this here what H2O. Okay. What is formed there? There is a formation of here what? C2H5Cl plus water molecules to the form. Okay. In this way, ethyl chloride is there formed. What is formed there? There is a formation of ethyl chloride. Is it? Remember this. You are seeing here the mixture of concentrated HCl in presence of ZnCl2. This is called what? Lucas reagent. What is it called? Lucas reagent. Then we can take it here what? Another example. We are going to take it here what? A secondary alcohol. That is CH3CH, CH3. This is here what? OH. Okay. This is called 2-propanol. When it reacts with here what? Again HCl, it is concentrated. That is very important to take it this concentrated HCl because you are seeing rate of chemical reaction. It depends upon your what the concentration. Is it? The more is the concentration, you are seeing here the reaction is very fast. Is it? In presence of ZnCl2, what happened here? Again see this H and this OH. It is removed. Here H2 is removed and this OH is replaced by here what? Cl. Is it? You can have here what? This is like here what? The displacement reaction. Okay. There is a formation of CH3CH, CH3 water molecule as a byproduct यहाँ पे तैयार होगा और यहाँ पे कौन आ गया? यहाँ पे Cl आ गया. Okay. Now it is called isopropyl chloride or 2-chloropropane. What is this? This is called 2-chloropropane. Okay. अभी next reaction देखें. अगर this is primary alcohol, secondary alcohol. If you take it here, what tertiary alcohol? See here, tertiary alcohol CH3C, CH3, CH3 and OH. Okay. This carbon atom is tertiary carbon atom. Okay. Therefore, this is called tertiary alcohol. Now see here in this case, you should not take it here what ZnCl2. Only if you shake here what this alcohol with only concentrated HCl, then also reaction will take place. Okay. Reaction take place at here what the room temperature. Let me see what happen. यहाँ से देखिए ये H2 निकल गया, ठीक है. And what is formed there? There is a formation of CH3C, CH3, CH3, and here Cl plus here what water molecule is formed. Correct. This is called what is tertiary butyl chloride, or you can have here what? This is your main chain as usual. On second position, chlorine is present. 2-chloro. 2-methyl, what is this? Propane. In this way, we can prepare here what? The monohalogen derivatives by using here what? The Lucas reagent. Okay. Then you can prepare the same monohalogen derivatives by reaction with here what? PCl3, PCl5, Cl. We can take it PCl3, PCl5 and thionyl chloride. Okay. S stands for thionyl chloride. Okay. Let me see. Again, we are going to take it like this. See here, take it again C2H5OH. Okay, the process is same. Is it? Here in this case, I am going to take it what? PCl3. Here, phosphorus dichloride. इसको heat कर दे. Is it? Replace this entire OH. इस OH को क्या करो? पूरा replace करो by here what? The chlorine atom. ठीक? What is formed there? There is a formation of C2H5UCl plus here H3PO3 is formed. Phosphoric acid is there formed here. Okay. Now you have to balance this chemical equation. Balancing is very important. That is called what? Law of mass action. Is it? Now here see, 3 hydrogen atoms are there present. Here 3 oxygen atoms are there present. OH is present here. O is 3 times, H is 3 times. Therefore, you have to multiply it by 3. Okay. Naturally, C2H5 becomes 3. Is it? Make it here what? 3 times. See? What happened there? Ultimately, chlorine get here what? 3 times. Means here, you would have chlorine 3 times are there. That is already balanced. Phosphorus is there 1 times. Here, phosphorus is there what? How many times? 1 times. Sure. Okay. We are going to see when if you are going to bring here what the reaction with your what the PCl5 also. Okay. Then also see take it here what again 2 propanol. See CH3 CHOH CH3 plus PCl3 करेक्ट है ठीक है ना. अभी यहाँ पे भी क्या करें ये पूरा का पूरा OH क्या करें रिप्लेस करें क्लोरीन से. बाय प्रोडक्ट फॉस्फोरिक एसिड ये तैयार होगा ही एट द लास्ट. Is it? Now you have to write here what the same skeleton in the same way whatever I have done on the blackboard. Is it? Now what is formed there? There is a formation of CH3CH. यहाँ पे Cl आएगा CH3 plus what is formed there? H3PO3 is formed. Phosphoric acid is there formed. Again here secondary propyl chloride is to the form here. Correct? In this way we can bring here what the reaction for PCl5 also. Is it? Now if you want to bring the reaction with PCl5, just I will go above. Is it? This is very important. What is Lucas reagent? Lucas reagent is a mixture of your what? Concentrated HCl and what is this? ZnCl. Let me see here. See, take it here what? We are going to take it here what? 1 propanol, CH3, CH2, Cl, CH3, CH2, CH2 and here what? OH. Is it? Take it here what PCl5. यहाँ पे देखिए PCl5 लीजिए आप. That is called phosphorus pentachloride. इसको वार्म करें, हीट करें. What is formed there? If you are going to form the reaction like this, okay. Now see, do follow my path. What happened there? Here PCl5 is there present, P is there present. Here Cl is there how many times? 5 times. That I am going to write it. And P is there present. Here it becomes P 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 PCl5. Okay. Remove this. What is this? This P like this. Cl. ये क्या निकला है यहाँ पे देखें? एक P निकला है, 3 Cl निकला है, एक ऑक्सीजन निकला है. That is called POCl3. Okay. And this H and this Cl then again we have to remove. Means you would have 2 byproducts are there present. What is formed there? There is a formation of Cl. यहाँ पे देखें POCl3 तैयार हो रहा है प्लस HCl तैयार हो रहा है प्लस ये पूरा का पूरा अभी यहाँ पे क्या हो गया पूरा OH निकल रहा है उसकी जगह पे क्या हो गया ये बचा हुआ जो Cl है. ओके ये यहाँ पे रखना है. ठीक है. व्हाट इज फॉर्म देयर इज अ फॉर्मेशन ऑफ CH3 CH2 here CH2 and here what Cl. In this way we form what 1 chloropropane. What do we form? 1 chloropropane. See, chlorine is present on the first position of your what this propane skeleton. Okay, that's why it is called what 1 chloropropane. Is it? Let me see. In this way we can bring the reaction for your what SOCl2 also. Okay, in case of SOCl2 you have seen here. See what happened. So take it here what the same example. Okay, you can repeat it many times. CH3 CH2 CH2 OH. Sure. Bring the reaction with hyaluronate chloride SOCl2 in presence of pyridine. ये बेस है, ध्यान में रखना है आपको क्योंकि यहाँ पे एसिड तैयार होता है, न्यूट्रलाइज करता है एक को. अभी यहाँ पे देखें ये SOCl2 है, थायोनील क्लोराइड. ओके, रिमूव दिस SO2 like this. Sure. Now this H and 2 Cl's are there present. 2 Cl में से एक Cl निकालते देखें. We have bring here what we have to remove one HCl also. Entire OH is removed and replaced by Cl. Very simple. What is formed there? There is a formation of CH3, CH2, here CH2 and here Cl plus SO2. It is a gas. It is escape out. It is removed. Plus what is formed there? There is a formation of HCl. Okay. What is the name? That is called 1 chloropropane. What is this? 1 chloropropane. Again, you can bring this reaction for the secondary also. CH3, CH, यहाँ पे देखिए हमने OH लिखा है, यहाँ पे CH3 लिखा है, प्लस SOCl2 फिर से ऐड करें, थायोनील क्लोराइड, ओके, इन प्रेजेंस ऑफ pyridine, करेक्ट, और इसको हीट करें. ठीक है. अब why we take the pyridine? Because pyridine is a base, because here acid is to the form, as you have seen here, like such hydrochloric acid वगैरह, all these things are there present, जो भी ये रहता है आयन में, ये कभी कभी क्या होता है रिड्यूस करने की कोशिश करता है किसको, मेन प्रोडक्ट को. इज इट फॉर दैट पर्पस वी हैव टेकन pyridine as a base. Is it? Remove here what SO plus here what O. SO is remove. 1H और यहाँ से एक Cl निकाल दे. 1 Cl that you have to what is replace it and replace this entire OH by here what, a single chlorine molecule. What is found? There is a formation of CH3CH CH3Cl plus SO2 plus HCl. Okay. Here see what form there. 2-chloropropane. What is this? 2-chloropropane. Is it? This is a secondary. What is? Halogen derivatives. Okay. Let me see once again. CH3 CH2 CH2OH. We have taken PCl5. इसको बराबर क्या करें, इसको मैनेज करें. PCl कितने बार है यहाँ पे, 5 बार लिखा है मैंने. ठीक है. PO 3 Cl लेना है आपको. PO3 बाहर निकाला मैंने. H के साथ में ये Cl बाहर निकालना है. वो देखो HCl बाहर निकाला है और ये OH की जगह पे मैंने Cl को रिप्लेस किया. In this way we can form here what the primary monohalogen derivative, that is called 1-chloropropane. See here one first position chlorine is present there. Okay, therefore it is called what, 1-chloropropane. Is it? Take it again, 1-propanol. Is it? We have taken SOCl2, it's called thionyl chloride in presence of pyridine as a base. इसको हीट करना जरूरी है. Okay, कोई भी केमिकल रिएक्शन को हीट करने से जरूरी होता है कि रेट ऑफ केमिकल रिएक्शन क्या होती है, थोड़ी सी फास्ट होती है. एंड यू विल गेट हियर व्हाट द प्रोडक्ट वेयर विद इन अ वेरी स्पेसिफिक टाइम. इज इट? Now see here SO और ये O निकला है. देखो SO2 निकल गया ये पूरा का पूरा. Is it? We have removed this SO2 like this. Now again we have removed this HCl. Sure. Remaining Cl is there present. हमने क्या किया, वो Cl को यहाँ पे अटैच कर दिया, OH को रिप्लेस करके. And byproducts are there formed SO2 plus HCl. Correct. Again we have taken secondary alcohol. This is called secondary because OH is present on the secondary carbon atom of propane. Second position, which is attached with 2 carbon atoms. Hence it is called secondary. Add SOCl2, SO plus O, SO2 is removed, H plus Cl. देखो यहाँ पे HCl भी रिमूव हुआ, एक Cl बचा हुआ है. यहाँ से OH पूरा रिप्लेस हो चुका है. उस OH की जगह पे हमने क्या रखा है, इस Cl रखा है. Now its name is here what, 2-chloro what is propane. Means from secondary alcohol we have formed here what, a secondary propyl chloride here. Okay, ठीक. Here what the next reaction. Okay, so reaction of alcohol with HBr. अब यहाँ पे देखिए, when you have here what, see. Again, you have same example, C2H5OH, when it reacts with HBr. This is a primary alcohol. When you react with HBr in presence of, you have seen here, यहाँ पे NaBr plus H2SO4 लेना है हमें. रिएक्शन मिक्सचर से यहाँ से क्या होता है, HBr तैयार होता है. That is a stable one. Okay, rather than taking your alone HBr, what happens there? Here, see here, remove water molecule like this. H2O is removed. Remove this OH bar, then Br. What is formed there? There is a formation of C2H5Br plus here what? The water molecule. Correct. That is called what? Ethyl bromide. What is called? Ethyl bromide. Then we can take it again. CH3, CH, CH3 and here OH. Again 2-propanol we have taken as usual. Okay. Add here what? HBr. HBr add कर. In presence of NaBr plus concentrated H2SO4. ये आपको लेना ही है. ठीक है ना. ओके, बट जनरली यू आर सीन हियर. नाउ दिस इज यू हैव टू टेक इट H2SO4. दिस इज डाइल्यूट. ओके, इफ यू टेक इट कॉन्सेंट्रेटेड H2SO4, सी हियर छोटी छोटी बातें तो आपको ध्यान रखना है. अगर हमने कॉन्सेंट्रेटेड H2SO4 अगर यहाँ पे लिया तो सेकेंडरी को क्या करेगा, वो डिहाइड्रेट करके अल्कीन तैयार करेगा. ओके, ओनली यू हैव टू टेक द कॉन्सेंट्रेटेड H2SO4 इन केस ऑफ योर व्हाट, प्राइमरी alcohol, not where in the secondary and tertiary alcohol. Remember this fact. Okay, this is here direct with H2SO4. Is it? What happened? Again देखिए यहाँ पे H2 रिमूव करें. What is formed there? There is a formation of your what? CH3, CH, CH3 यहाँ पे Br आ गया. H2 usually they are formed, that is called 2-bromopropane. This is the main chain, second position, over which here what bromine is present. यहाँ पे देखो bromine second position पे present है करके इसका नाम हो गया 2-bromopropane. ठीक. तो you can take it here what tertiary also. तो tertiary को लिखते समय just I am going to write like this. ओके, क्योंकि नीट और जेडब्ल्यू में क्या होता है, वहाँ पे स्पेस कम होती है करके उसको इस फॉर्मेट में लिखते हैं. तो सो यू शुड नॉट कंफ्यूज. देखो कार्बन एटम 3 मिथिल ग्रुप के साथ में अटैच है. ये टर्शियरी कार्बन एटम है, ध्यान में रखिए, जिसके ऊपर क्या प्रेजेंट है, OH है. तो यू हैव एग्जांपल ऑफ योर, इट्स नेम इज टर्शियरी ब्यूटिल अल्कोहल. ओके, प्लस HBr यूज करें वंस अगेन इन प्रेजेंस ऑफ सी NeBr प्लस डायरेक्ट H2 को यूज करना है, कॉन्सेंट H2 यूज नहीं करना है, कंडीशन ध्यान में रखना है आपको रिएक्शन की। अगेन व्हाट इज फॉर्म पे देखो वाटर मॉल को रिमूव करें H2O, यहाँ से देखो ये बॉन्ड ब्रेक हो चुका है, उसकी जगह पे हमने OH की जगह पे Cl को Br को रिप्लेस करना है। व्हाट इज फॉर्म देयर इज अ फॉर्मेशन ऑफ CH3 3 टाइम्स CBr प्लस H2O। ये टर्शियरी देखो सी सिनोनिमस टू मच लिटिल डिफरेंस आर देयर, हियर OH इज प्रेजेंट हियर Br इज प्रेजेंट। व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस? यहाँ पे OH था, Br था, ये अल्कोहल था, यहाँ पे क्या होगा, ये ब्रोमाइड बन चुका है, ठीक है। लेकिन ये जो स्केलेटन है देखिए, ये स्केलेटन जैसी की वैसी ही है, सो शुड नॉट गेट कंफ्यूज, यू हैव टू राइट हियर व्हाट 3 एट द बेस। ओके, टर्शियरी ब्यूटिल ब्रोमाइड, व्हाट इट्स नेम, टर्शियरी के लिए टर्क लिखे, व्हाट इज दिस ब्यूटिल, और यहाँ पे कौन आ गया, ब्रोमाइड। इन दिस वे वी कैन प्रिपेयर हियर व्हाट the bromine derivatives, is it? Now on the contrary, if you want to have here what the reaction of Cl, ठीक है, अगर हम लोग अल्कोहल से ही अगर हम PBr3 लेते हैं, okay, remember this fact, what happened there, you have to take here what phosphorus plus Br2, इसका मिक्सचर लेना है, okay, and it will form here what PBr3, ये ध्यान में रखो आपको, ठीक है। एज यूजुअल क्लोरीन जैसा ही करना है, यहाँ पे देखें OH इज रिप्लेस बाय ब्रोमीन, देयर इज अ फॉर्मेशन ऑफ योर व्हाट C2H5Br प्लस H3PO3। ये बिल्कुल दिमाग में रखें, अगर 3 बार अगर हाइड्रोजन अगर है तो यहाँ पे देखें H3PO3 3 बार H 3 बार O और 1 बार P ऐसा तैयार होता है। इफ यू टेक इट P-Cl5 और PBr5 तो यहाँ पे देयर इज नो फॉर्मेशन ऑफ योर व्हाट लाइक सच बाय प्रोडक्ट। व्हाट इट्स नेम इज व्हाट इथिल ब्रोमाइड, व्हाट इट्स नेम ethyl bromide. In this way you can take it CH3, CH2, CH2OH, that is called 1-propanol. Sure. Again you can take it here what? See, like this. What's the name? Name is very important. IUPAC name is very important. See here, this first position, second position and third position. On second position methyl group is present and first position OH group is present. Okay. Now what its name? Second, ये this is your what main chain. इसको consider करें आप लोग, ये main chain हो चुकी है आपकी. Okay, its name is 2-methyl, first position पे OH present है, propane 1-ol, what its name, here 2-methyl propane, first position पे OH present है, that is called 2-methyl propane 1-ol, correct? Now to bring the reaction with PBr3, correct है, थोड़ा सा हिट करें, ठीक है, P plus Br को ये यूजुअली लिखना है, ये इसको निकाल दे Br यहाँ पे रिप्लेस करें, ओके, बट what is formed there? CH3CH, यहाँ पे देखिए मैं Br नीचे लिख रहा हूँ, CH3CH, CH3 मैं नीचे लिख रहा हूँ, CH2Br, ओके, ठीक है। अब थोड़ा सा मैंने क्या किया, CH3 ऊपर था तो मैंने नीचे लिखा, that is one and the same thing, stereochemistry. What is formed there? Its name is 1-bromo-2-methyl propane. What's name? फर्स्ट पोजीशन पे ब्रोमीन आ गया, सेकंड पोजीशन पे मिथिल आ गया, और ये तुम्हारी क्या हो चुकी है, मेन चेन हो चुकी है, ठीक। लेकिन ख्याल में इसका जो मैकेनिज्म होता है, जनरली एक बात ध्यान रखिए, ये जो Br है, ये Br देखिए कौन से फर्स्ट पोजीशन पे प्रेजेंट है, दिस इज प्राइमरी कार्बन आइटम, दिस इज व्हाट सेकेंडरी कार्बन आइटम, ओके, बट प्राइमरी कार्बन आइटम इज, यू आर सीइंग सेकेंडरी कार्बन आइटम इज मोर स्टेबल देन प्राइमरी कार्बन आइटम, ओके। यहाँ पे देखिए 2 मिथिल ग्रुप अटैच है, तो यहाँ पे क्या होता है, यहाँ पे शिफ्ट होता है, Br यहाँ पे आता है और H इधर चले जाता है, ओके, इट माइट बी टेक प्लेस, ध्यान में रखें, क्योंकि सेकेंडरी कार्बोहाइड्रेट जो भी तैयार होता है ड्यूरिंग द कोर्स ऑफ रिएक्शन, ये ज़्यादा स्टेबल होता है रेदर देन योर व्हाट प्राइमरी कार्बोहाइड्रेट, ओके। थोड़ा सा इस चीज़ के लिए आप लोग ध्यान में रखें, वी आर गोइंग टू फेस योर व्हाट दिस नीट जेईई एग्जाम जो होती है उसके अंदर ये सब चीज़ें क्या होती है, पूरी मैटर होती है, ठीक है ना, ओके। See here what certain name reactions, that is very important, okay. We are going to see here what Finkelstein reaction, हम लोग देखते हैं यहाँ पे देखिए Finkel Finkelstein reaction, ये halogen displacement reaction है, कौन सी reaction है, that is called what, halogen displacement reaction, ध्यान में रखना, कौन सी reaction है ये, halogen displacement reaction. See what happened here in this case. Now in case of generally halogen displacement reaction के अंदर क्या हो रहा है, let me see, we are going to take it same example, very simple example, you can bring here what again ethyl bromide, when it react with, you are saying this is a Finkelstein reaction, okay, take it here what NaR, metal iodide here, sodium iodide we have taken. Let me see what happened here. NaBr is removed. Okay, what is formed there? There is a formation of, what is this? C2H5i plus NaBr is formed. This is called ethyl iodide. Okay, क्योंकि यहाँ पे देखा हेलोजन भी डिस्प्लेस कर रहा है ये, इसीलिए इसको हम लोग हेलोजन डिस्प्लेसमेंट रिएक्शन करते हैं. Br की जगह पे यहाँ पे आयोडीन आ रहा है. There is a formation of ethyl iodide plus what is NaBr is to form here. Okay, is it? You are saying we are going to see then SWARTS, Stotz reaction. What happens in case of Stotz reaction? Okay, so you can take it here what? C2H5Cl, C, that is called ethyl chloride. When it react with any metal fluoride, देखो हमने metal fluoride लिया हुआ है यहाँ पे. Okay, silver fluoride हमने लिया हुआ है. Is it? What will form there? See, AgCl निकला है. Cl is replaced by very highly electronegative fluorine. Is it? What is formed there? There is a formation of C2H5, what is F plus AgCl is formed. That is called ethyl chloride. In this way, we can form a what? The various monohalogen derivatives. Okay, guys. Now these are the preparation. If you prepare these basics in a very well-defined way, what happened there? Then you are saying you can write here. You have to practice it here what? 1 times or more than 1 times. Is it? Writing practice is very important. Okay, to remember all these reactions, because reactions are many in number. Various function groups are also there present, which is very complicated to remember. You are seeing here generally बच्चे क्या करते हैं, कंप्लेंट करते हैं सर वो ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री हमें समझ भी नहीं आता. ठीक है ना, समझने के लिए क्या चाहिए आपको, तो ये बेसिक और ये कैसे कैसे फंक्शन ग्रुप निकलते हैं, बाय प्रोडक्ट कैसे तैयार होते हैं, व्हाट इज द रोल ऑफ बाय प्रोडक्ट, फिर बाद में उसकी रिएक्शन कैसे रिवर्स होती है, उसके लिए क्या करना चाहिए, ये अगर आपको बेसिक अगर समझ में अगर आ गया, ओके, तो यू कैन राइट अबाउट द पेपर वेरी इजीली. वी विल सी इन द इनकमिंग फ्यूचर. ठीक है ना, हम लोग कन्वर्शंस कैसा करना वगैरह हम लोग इनकमिंग फ्यूचर के अंदर देखेंगे. ये दिस इज अबाउट योर व्हाट ऑल दिस थिंग्स, प्रिपरेशन ऑफ योर व्हाट मोनोहैलोजन डेरिवेटिव्स. ओके, इज इट? अगर आपको अगर ये अगर वीडियो अगर सपोज पूरा समझ में आ गया, ठीक है ना, तो गाइस इज इट, लाइक इट, शेयर इट एंड सब्सक्राइब इट, सो दैट आई शुड गेट हियर व्हाट एनर्जेटिक एंड हियर व्हाट encourage, okay, to teach you all these things. Is it? See you. Have a nice day.